What's going on there, Trading Nation? Today is Friday, September 27th, 2019, 3:30 Eastern Time. We still have an hour left in the markets, but coming to you with an update on our 100 to hopefully 1,000 challenge in our small account here on Robinhood. And what a day we have had today. We're going to walk through the trades that we're making today. We did open some trades as well as close and take some profits. As you can see, we are up $76.92 in one day. What a fabulous day in the small account. We started with 100 less than a month ago. We are now up to $224, marching our way to $1,000. And on the week, as our week is coming to the end, we were flat most of the week until today when everything seemed to go our way. And we did close some trades, so let's start with the trades that we closed, and then we'll show the trades that we opened, and then we'll have some things that we're looking forward to for next week. Let's take a look. Okay, let's start with our big winner that we took off this morning is our Urban Outfitters call. As you saw in the video yesterday, we did lock that in as a guaranteed profit. The maximum that we could profit with our lock-in, and it took away all of our risk, was $50. Today that went all the way up to $40, so we did sell it and we sold out. 50 plus the 40 is 90. We originally bought that at 40, so we closed it out. $40 turned into $90 in 1 week. So we did close out that Urban Outfitters trade today, and man, I tell you what, Urban is just continuing to scream higher today. So if you're, I'm kind of looking at that. Maybe we'll re-enter that next week. We'll see. We're having some down in the market today, especially this afternoon, and Urban is continuing to stay high and even go higher. So that's definitely a sign of strength, and I will be looking at a potential re-entry into that moving forward if we get an opportunity. So that was our big close for the day, for the week, and now let's talk about some other trades that we went ahead and did enter. We did enter a Starbucks call spread. So our strikes are right here. We did open this today, and so we took in a credit of $20. There is a 50-cent, so we're risking 30, and maximum profit will be 20 on this credit spread. So we sold the two calls, went ahead and entered that contract today. So we'll see how that turns out. Let's see what else we opened. We did. We were trying to get a whole bunch of things today. That might. I thought we opened one more trade today. Let's take a look. So here are the other trades that we did make today. We entered a debit spread and a credit spread on oil, as well as a call debit spread on silver. So on the call debit spread on oil, we did place this trade here. We did open it. We did buy the contract here for 44 cents on that, so that's $44. And we are hoping that that continues to go in our right direction as well. As well as we did do a put credit spread as well, and we do have an open order here to kind of close this out as well. So we are bullish on oil, and we're hoping that we get this to move in the right direction this week as well. As well as we did enter a little position here, a call debit spread on silver, the ETF SLV. So we have the 16.5, 16 call spread open here. This did cost us $27, and it could go to 50 would be the max that it could go to. So we hope that it does go open and it does continue to go up. We'll see how that goes. Those silver and oil are a little bit back and forth. I do look at charts. There are some things I always am kind of looking at charts. If you're interested in seeing what I look at the charts, go ahead and leave some comments below, and maybe we'll do some videos on that. So once again, here's a quick summary of we did open silver, we did open a USO trade, and we did open a Starbucks trade as well, and we did close out that Urban trade for a big win on the week. So a great week, up a huge amount for the week, and well on our way. We did take those profits. We do have a good amount of money sitting in cash, so we'll wait and see what opportunities might present themselves next week. And until then, everyone, have a great weekend. Happy holiday to my Jewish friends, and we'll talk to you later. See ya.